How to solve or fix the error called fail to verify your username in your Minecraft Aternos game available. So the first thing what you need to do is if you are playing it on the application or if you're playing it on your browser, then you should simply delete the browser page, or if you have playing application you should clear it from your recents. Now you simply have to understand that these type of error usually occurs if our network connection is bad. So check your Wi-Fi network connection that it is coming or connected to you within the full strength of it. Now here, after rechecking your Wi-Fi network connection, what you have to do is simply go to the start button available on the bottom of your screen and my screen, click on it, and then again click on the restart button from the front menu. After this, you will see that once you will restart your PC, you won't face any type of error available on your computer screen. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.